The Andover Huskies, undefeated at home at the Andover Community Center, hosting the Blaine Bengals. In the first period, Gunnar Thorson gets on the board first. A redirect goal right in front of the net. Wow, got the blade of the stick on it. Redirects it in, 1-0 Huskies after 1 second period. Holden Dunleavy gets a goal. Nice pass from Sam Milkey right in front, and Dunleavy puts it in. 2-0 Huskies with the lead. Right off the faceoff, check this out. Bryce Brzezinski wins the faceoff, and Carson Reichels wins the quick draw award. 2-1. The howitzer shot. They're not done. Bryce Brzezinski to Rickles again. Second assist, Wilhelm, and we're tied up at 2. No scoring in the third. We go to OT. Faceoff's huge. Luke Cron wins the faceoff, brings it in. The wraparound, and it's pushed in by Luke Cron. Gunnar Thorson with the assist. And the Huskies win. The Huskies win 3-2 in OT. They've done it again. Gunnar Thorson, the goal and an assist, the big face-off win that sets up Luke Cron with the game-winning goal. Holden Dunleavy as well. And Frutzinger, 19 saves. The victory for them as Bryce Brzezinski, couple of assists. And Reichels, 2 nice goals for him, but Andover wins 3-2. Next up for the Bengals, they'll be at Elk River and then at Holy Family. Then Centennial, they came off a nice win over section foe Maple Grove. They're taking on Edina tonight. And then they get their chance at Andover on Thursday the 1st. Spring Lake Park rattled off a couple of nice wins over Champlin and Osseo. They're taking on Totino Grace on Thursday night, then Chaska and Anoka.